Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best bistro shrimp pasta from Cheesecake Factory, y'all. And this is part of my budget-friendly meals this week that I'm going to be releasing. And this is my go-to whenever we go to the factory. It is super simple and will be found under my copycat recipe playlist. Let's go. So I'm starting with some colossal shrimp that has been peeled with the tails on, some grape tomatoes, heavy cream, some baby bellas, salt and pepper, olive oil, and then I have a arugula spinach mix, garlic, cloves, a couple of eggs, some butter, some fresh basil, lemon juice, some flour, cornstarch, onion powder, roasted garlic seasoning, oregano, but you can use Italian. And then for my breading, I have some all-purpose flour and panko breadcrumbs, and we're gonna mix that up. And then just some thin spaghetti. And I'm also gonna be adding some white wine, but you can also use chicken broth instead. So I'm just going to season up my breading mixture, and all of the seasonings and measurements will be in the description, so don't worry. And then I'm just going to do a light seasoning with salt and pepper on the shrimp. We want to make sure we have flavor throughout this entire recipe. So I am just going to add the eggs directly to the shrimp, no need for a separate bowl, and we're just going to dip in batter because we want to give the shrimp an opportunity to set off to the side and absorb that flour and get a good coat on there. So I'm just going to chop up my veggies, and then we're going to do a light saute in some butter and a little bit of olive oil. And when I tell you, it is so good, it smells so good. And I'm just going to put some minced garlic and those mushrooms because they take the longest to cook. And so I'm just going to give a light stir on that, and then I'm going to season it with just some salt and pepper. Again, flavor throughout this entire recipe. And then lastly, I'm going to add in those tomatoes just to warm them up, okay? Don't overcook it because you don't want them soggy. And so again, a light saute on the veggies, and then we're going to remove them from the pan and set them off to the side, and we're going to start on our shrimp. So you're going to put butter and enough oil to coat the bottom of the pan, and we're just going to do a light fry on each side. And then once you get them golden brown on each side like so, we're going to also remove those from the pot and set them off to the side because we don't want it to get soggy. Alright, so on the sauce, I'm going to add my cornstarch to the lemon juice and mix that up and create a slurry. And then I have the butter in this pan, and I'm adding the heavy cream and then also that cornstarch slurry, and we're just going to mix that up until it starts to thicken. So while I add the rest of my ingredients, go ahead and use this opportunity, if you have not already, to click that subscribe button. And thank you so much to all of you guys who have already subscribed, have been subscribing and supporting my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. So I am now going to add in just a couple of pepper flakes because I want a little bit of pop in there. This is totally optional. So I'm going to add a couple of handfuls of the green leaves, but I did that last because you still want to have a little bite, okay? I did not want these to soften up because that's the way Cheesecake Factory does it. And here you go. So when I say remove the shrimp, you want them to stay crispy because it's going to go on top like a garnish because it's cute, isn't it? I mean, isn't it cute? And it is the perfect budget-friendly meal if you want to celebrate your loved one. You know what I'm saying? But hold on now. I know what you guys want. Hold on now, baby. Look at this, y'all. That sauce and then those shrimp. Oh my, it's so good. But hold on. There you go, baby. Go on and take that bite. Does that not look amazing? Come on. So you guys, try this recipe out. A great budget friendly meal idea. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.